Hi students, today now we are going to topic about reproduction and modifications of plant. So we can see reproduction of plants. I will teach you, okay. Then only stem functions and modifications, okay. Stem functions and modifications, system functions and modifications. Next one, what is exactly is a stem, okay. Stem exactly is a so okay. Before we go any further in this presentation, let's define a stem, okay. Presentation, let's define a stem. A stem is generally considered to be the central axis of the plant. So stem வந்து சென்ட்ரல்ல தான் இருக்கும், ஓகே. சப்போர்ட் த லீவ்ஸ் அண்ட் ஃப்ளவர்ஸ் ஆஃப் எ பிளான்ட். இது எதெல்லாம் சப்போர்ட் பண்ணுது அப்படின்னா லீவ்ஸ் இலைகளையும் பூக்களையும் இது சப்போர்ட் பண்ணுது. ஆஸ் நோடட்ஸ் ஃப்ரம் விச் நியூ ஷூட்ஸ் அண்ட் சம்டைம்ஸ் நியூ ரூட்ஸ் அண்ட் எரைஸ், ஓகே. நியூ ரூட்ஸ் வளர்கிறதுக்கும் அதனுடைய பகுதிகளை நிறைய ஷூட்ஸ்னால் நிறைய மேலே உள்ள வளர்ச்சி வளர்கிறதுக்கும் இது என்ன பயன்படுது. Is usually found above ground but can be modified and found below ground as well, okay. Then only plant, okay. The plant body stem, okay. The plant body stem, function of stem, stem support leaves and branches. Stem transport water and solutes between roots and leaves. Stem in some plants and photosynthesis. Stem many store materials necessary for life. Examples of water, starch, sugar, okay. In some plants, stem have become adapted for specialized function of stems, okay. More parts carry to stem, so flowers, leaves. So more branches in these plants, okay. Next one, flower, that is stem support a display of leaves, okay. Display of leaves. Stem orient the leaves towards the light with minimal overlap among the leaves. Then only modified and specialized stems. Modified and specialized stem, different types of stem. Can you see the pictures? First one, different types of stem. Then only potato stem. Then only tuber. Potato stems, that is tuber, okay. First one stolen. Then only rhizome, okay. Rhizome. Then only bulb and section of bulb and woblate twining, okay. Woblate twining, that is woblate twining means stems of கொடி சொல்லுவாங்க இல்லையா, கொடி படருன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க இல்லையா, அந்த ஸ்டெம்ஸ் தான். ஸோ woblate twining. Then only stems, food storage stems, asparagus, okay. Asparagus, food storage stem, asparagus. First one, storage of stem. So different food storage of stem. So corn, so stems, okay. The seeds of stem. So some fruits carry to stem, okay. Then only these pictures, can you see the pictures, that is mungil. So mungil, it is a stem, okay. Then only most of sugar tree, okay. Sugar tree, that is stem. Then only photosynthesis, synthetic of stem, okay. Photosynthetic of stem, photosynthetic cactic, okay. Cactic, examples of cactics, that is desert life like that plant, okay. shout fleshy stem that are modified for food and water storage and photosynthesis. ஃபுட்டையும் ஸோ வாட்டரையும் ஸ்டோரேஜ் பண்ணி வைக்குது எதன் மூலமாக அப்படின்னா ஃபோட்டோசிந்தசிஸ். ஓகே, தட் இஸ் டெசர்ட் லைக் பிளான்ட்ஸ் ஆஃப் cacti. Then only tuber. That is tuber potato stems. Okay, accumulation of food at the tips of the underground stolon. The eyes of the potatoes are nodes. Okay, eyes of the potatoes are nodes of the starch-landed stem. So accumulation of the food at the tips of the underground stolon. That is eyes of the potato, the nodes of the starch-landed stem. Then only next one, onion. Okay, so crocus corms. Okay, crocus corms. Okay, crocus corms. A comb is a swollen vertical stem with a peppery covering. Cladius and crackers are examples of plants that from gums. Okay, that from gums. Next one, tulip. What is a tulip? So bulb. Okay, bulb. Onion. So stems. Okay, tunicate bulb. That is underground of vegetables. Bulbs, large buds with a small stem at a lower and surrounded by numerous fleshy leaves. Advantageously root at base. Okay, advantageous root at base. Examples of include onion, tulip and lily. Okay, onion, tulip and lily. Examples of bulb. Next one, rhizosome. Rhizosomes horizontal stem that grow below the ground with advantageous root. Examples of plants that can produce rhizosomes are irises, ferns and grasses. Okay, grasses plants, so underground below the ground with advantages of root, below the ground with advantages of plant. Okay, these examples of ferns and grasses. So iris plant, examples of iris plant. Then only ginger, the pachymorph ribosome of ginger. Okay, ginger. Other plants like ginger produce large thick rhizosomes held pachymorph. Okay, pachymorph. So other plants like gingers produce large thick rhizosomes called pachymorphs. Okay, next picture. Can you see the pictures? First one, that is pictures flower. Okay, honey locators, modified stem, black located, modified leaf stipples. Okay, leaf stipples, that is pictures of leaf stipples, modified the stem. Then only modified the stem. So locusts, modify of honey locusts. This plant of honey locusts, this black locusts. Okay, black locusts, this honey locusts. So modification of plant. Then only tendril, crepe tendrils. First one, crepe tendrils, some clamping structures. So different structures of stem. High planet attached with rolling of stem. Okay, so increasing rolling of stem rounded to all of them planet. Okay, so planet, all of them attached with other plant and near the stem, so attached. Okay, so crepe tendril. Next picture, stolons. What is stolons? Stolons are runners. Okay, stolons are runners. Horizontal stem that grows above the ground with long internodes. Examples of plants that can produce stolon or strawberry and airplane plants. Okay, strawberry and airplane plants. These examples of plants. Next one. Okay, so modifications of plants, mostly then only modifications of stems. Okay, stem which so different types of stem in the world, and most plants of variety plants, so variety plants and variety stems and varieties of flowers and varieties of leaves, so including this world. Okay, so modification of plant topic is over. Okay, can you see the video and then only after refer this book, these lessons. Okay, thank you students.